Hi, it's Carolyn from Shabby Fabrics. Thank you for joining me today. I'm here to announce our giveaway winner for the Insulated LunchBox sewing kit tutorial that we shared with you recently. If you missed that, hop on over to our YouTube channel in case you're not already there. You can check out that video and make sure you subscribe so you never miss a tutorial or a giveaway. These projects are so fun and a great gift, especially this time of the year as we get our kids back to school, get our grandkids back to school. They are still available on the website, so check those out. The giveaway winner today, we had asked everyone to comment with the fabric collection that they would use for their lunchbox kit. And our winner is Tasha Allen. Congratulations, Tasha. Well done. Let me tell you what she said, the collection that she would use for this project. Tasha said, "There's a lot to be said about the Be Grateful collection. I would choose it because 1, I like the message, and 2, I have a thing for those pollinators and the work they do, not to mention the honey they produce. Hopefully I will be the one." And you are the one, Tasha. Congratulations. Thank you to all of you who commented and shared and liked our post. And you'll be seeing Jen back here real soon on another Shabby video.